Quinoa, often hailed as a superfood, has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This ancient grain, native to the Andean region of South America, is not only versatile and delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly enhance our health. One of the standout features of quinoa is its omega-3 fatty acid content, which plays a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being. So, what exactly makes quinoa so special? For starters, it is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. But that's not all. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Now, let's dive into the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are vital for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. They are known to support cognitive function, improve mood, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Unfortunately, many people do not get enough omega-3s in their diets, which is where quinoa comes into play. While it may not be the richest source of omega-3s compared to fatty fish or flax seeds, quinoa still provides a valuable contribution to your daily intake, especially when combined with other omega-3 rich foods. Incorporating quinoa into your meals can be a delicious way to boost your omega-3 levels while enjoying a nutrient-dense food. Whether you toss it in salads, use it as a base for bowls, or even bake it into snacks, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're looking to enhance your diet with a food that offers a wealth of health benefits, quinoa is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned as we explore more about how to incorporate this incredible grain into your daily routine. Understanding quinoa's omega-3 content. When it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, quinoa offers a unique contribution to our diets, particularly for those following vegetarian or plant-based lifestyles. The primary type of omega-3 found in quinoa is alpha-linolenic acid, commonly referred to as ALA. ALA is a plant-based omega-3 that plays a vital role in heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. While quinoa may not be the richest source of omega-3s, it still provides a valuable addition to a balanced diet. To put quinoa's omega-3 content into perspective, let's compare it with other well-known sources. Flax seeds, for instance, are often celebrated as one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds contains about 2.4 grams of ALA, significantly more than the approximately 0.1 grams found in a cup of cooked quinoa. However, quinoa's nutritional profile is more diverse, offering a complete protein and a range of vitamins and minerals that flax seeds alone do not provide. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, including omega-3s is crucial. These essential fatty acids are not produced by the body, so we must obtain them from our food. ALA, the omega-3 found in quinoa and other plant sources, can be converted into the more potent forms of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, though this conversion process is not very efficient. Therefore, it's beneficial to consume a variety of omega-3 rich foods, such as chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds, alongside quinoa to ensure adequate intake. Incorporating quinoa into your meals can help bridge the gap in omega-3 consumption, especially when combined with other sources. Whether you enjoy it in salads, bowls, or as a side dish, quinoa not only enhances your meals, but also supports your overall health by contributing to your omega-3 intake. So, let's embrace this nutritious grain and explore its many benefits together. Health benefits of omega-3s in quinoa. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the ALA found in quinoa, offer a myriad of health benefits that can significantly enhance our overall well-being. One of the most notable advantages of incorporating omega-3s into your diet is their positive impact on heart health. Research has shown that omega-3s can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. By promoting healthy blood circulation and reducing inflammation in the body, these essential fatty acids contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Quinoa, with its omega-3 content, can be a delicious and nutritious addition to a heart-healthy diet. In addition to heart health, omega-3s play a crucial role in brain function and mental health. Studies suggest that these fatty acids are vital for maintaining cognitive function and may even help protect against age-related decline. Omega-3s are known to support the structure of brain cells and facilitate communication between them, which is essential for optimal brain performance. Furthermore, there is growing evidence linking omega-3 intake to improved mood and mental health. Individuals who consume adequate amounts of omega-3 SE may experience a lower risk of depression and anxiety, making quinoa a valuable food choice for those looking to support their mental well-being. Numerous studies have highlighted the connection between omega-3 intake and improved overall health. For instance, research has indicated that higher consumption of omega-3s is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, a balanced intake of omega-3s can enhance immune function and promote healthy skin. Incorporating quinoa into your meals not only provides a source of omega-3s, but also offers a range of other nutrients that work synergistically to support your health. Whether you enjoy it in a salad, as a side dish, or in a hearty bowl, quinoa can be a simple yet effective way to boost your omega-3 intake and enjoy its many health benefits. So, let's make quinoa a staple in our diets and reap the rewards of these essential fatty acids. Nutritional value of quinoa. Quinoa is often celebrated not just for its omega-3 content, but for its impressive overall nutritional profile. One of the standout features of quinoa is its status as a complete protein. Unlike many plant-based foods, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an exceptional choice for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to find adequate protein sources. With about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, quinoa provides a substantial protein boost, making it a fantastic addition to meals and snacks alike. In addition to its protein content, quinoa is rich in other vital nutrients that contribute to a balanced diet. One of the most significant benefits of quinoa is its high fiber content. A single cup of cooked quinoa contains approximately 5 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight or improve their digestive health. Quinoa is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of B vitamins, including B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B6, which play crucial roles in energy metabolism and brain function. Additionally, quinoa contains important minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, all of which are essential for various bodily functions, including bone health and oxygen transport. Another significant aspect of quinoa is its gluten-free nature. For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, quinoa serves as a nutritious alternative to traditional grains like wheat, barley, and rye. This makes it a versatile option for those looking to diversify their grain intake without compromising their dietary restrictions. In summary, quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse that goes beyond its omega-3 content. With its complete protein profile, high fiber content, essential vitamins, and gluten-free status, quinoa is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to enhance their diet with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Whether you enjoy it in salads, bowls, or as a side dish, quinoa is a fantastic way to nourish your body. Conclusion. In summary, quinoa is a remarkable grain that offers a wealth of health benefits, particularly due to its omega-3 content. As we've discussed, quinoa contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Its status as a complete protein, combined with its high fiber content and essential vitamins and minerals, makes quinoa an invaluable addition to any healthy diet. Incorporating quinoa into your meals can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your nutritional intake. Whether you're looking to boost your omega-3 levels, improve your heart health, or simply enjoy a delicious and versatile food, quinoa fits the bill perfectly. Its unique flavor and texture allow it to be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and grain bowls to soups and baked goods. We encourage you to explore different quinoa recipes and discover how this superfood can elevate your meals while providing essential nutrients. As you embark on your quinoa journey, remember that the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with various spices, vegetables, and proteins to create satisfying and nutritious dishes that cater to your taste preferences. Quinoa is not just a food, it's a canvas for your culinary creativity. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the incredible advantages of quinoa. Together, we can spread the word about healthy eating and empower others to make informed dietary choices. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights on nutrition and wellness in our upcoming videos.